we will discuss about combined equation of first and second law of thermodynamics, also known as TDS equations. Now TDS equation, the second name will be combined equation of first and second law of thermodynamics. To obtain TDS equation, there is two TDS equation in our thermodynamics syllabus. Now to obtain TDS equation, we have three assumptions, that is first one will be closed system. Our system will be closed, that is mass of our system will be fixed. Now the second assumption will be kinetic energy and potential energy is equal to 0, and the third one will be process will be reversible, that is quasi static process. These are three assumptions to obtain TDS equation. Now, to obtain TDS equation, we have required two more equation, that is first law of thermodynamics. If you know, then it is good. If you want to know, you can see my previous lecture related to first law of thermodynamics. The formula of the first law of thermodynamics will be del Q is equal to du plus del W. Now we can also modify this formula because we assume closed system, so we can also write the bulk will be PdV. Now you know very well the formula of the entropy, that is ds is equal to del Q by T. We can modify this formula, TdS is equal to del Q. This is our formula of the entropy. This is first law of thermodynamics. You can, if you know about entropy, if you don't know, then you can also see my last lecture about entropy. Now we can put this value here, then TdS is equal to du plus PdV. Now we obtain first TdS equation. Now to obtain second TdS equation, you have to know the formula of the enthalpy, that is H is equal to U plus PV. You can also see about in my previous lecture related to enthalpy. Now if we differentiate the formula of the enthalpy, then this will be equal to dH is equal to del U plus PdV plus VdP. Now we can also write or put TdS value here, then TdS plus VdP. Now we can also modify this formula, dH minus VdP. This will be our second TdS equation. Now we obtain two TdS equation, first TdS equation and second TdS equation. Now to obtain this TdS equation, we assume, or our one assumption is process is reversible. Although our assumption is process for reversible process, but these two formulas of TdS equation are valid for both reversible and irreversible process for both. Now this is about combined equation of first and second law of thermodynamics, because this is our first law of thermodynamics, and entropy we obtain by the second law of thermodynamics. We obtain first TdS equation. Now enthalpy, this is formula for constant pressure process which is related to first law of thermodynamics. Now we also put these value in this formula, so this relate this to second law of thermodynamics. So this is known as combined equation of first and second law of thermodynamics. and also known as TDS equation. So this is about TDS equation first and second. Thank you.